Happy 97th birthday, Applebee! We wish you good health.
Bibilang po kita ng hipol pag-uwi.
I can't wait for your 100th birthday po. See you soon!
See you soon, Applebee. More birthdays to come. Kamusta lahat dyan? Oh, kamusta lahat dyan?
Kamusta po? Kamusta po?
Go. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
See you soon po.
Bye, Applebee. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po!
Pakitira na lang na lechon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you soon, Applebee. We love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Applebee! Happy 97th birthday!
Stay healthy, and stay happy.
Enjoy your birthday celebration in more goodies.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Applebee. Happy birthday. Happy 97th birthday. 3 more years. 100 years old. We miss you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hello, Applebee! Papa, happy birthday! Oreno rin na po ng ating kambal. Yan ang po yan. Ay, yan ang po. Yan ang po. Yan lang. Wishing you good health always. Nawala ang birthday. I love you. And see you soon. Bye!
Birthday, Applebee! Happy birthday po! Next time birthday mo sana, tiyo kami nga Ken po. Bye-bye ka na.
Ilan ang ba na po? 94 ka pala ng birthday mo.
March 2029.
1929.
Kaya na 2029.
Dinala na. Wow, tuyaan ka na ba?